Hello, and welcome to Optimal Training Group. Isaac Seguno here. In this video, we're going to go a little bit further into views on some of the properties of web parts on a page. So, in our last video, we talked about views and we talked about how to select them to use them on the page. So, I'm going to bring up the page that I was using before. And so I got my sample view here. So I'm going to edit this page. And then this is a web part that I added to the page, and I'm going to edit that web part. And on the left right hand side here, we have this region view sales properties panel. And we talked about the views you can select here, but I don't think we didn't talk about the toolbar type. So I prepared some slides that shows what each of these look like when they're selected. So let me bring my slide over here, and let me, oh, there it is. Okay. So this is the slide. When you select full toolbar, it has the toolbar at the top, new item, or edit this list. You can also click on the ellipses and it gives you these options here. It has this flyout panel here and it gives you these different options. For the next one, if you selected the summary toolbar, as you can see, they are exactly the same. For the no toolbar, you see that the toolbar is missing, new item, and edit this list is missing. And then, if we go to the last one, show toolbar, we have new item, actions, and settings. And so those are the differences between those different properties within that web part in the toolbar type option here. Let's go to this next one. In the appearance, we can control the the title up here. So that's what controls that. And then you can control the height, and then also the width. And we have the Chrome state. And if you click minimize, what would happen is if you were to go on the page, you wouldn't see the web part. It'll just have the title at the top, but nothing there. So I don't know what the purpose of that is. And then you have normal. And then we have the Chrome type, default, none, title, border, title, and border only. So let me show you that as well. Let me bring that over. So in the slides here, let me do that again. Oh, excuse me. Current slide, there you go. So here is the option. So default and none, that's what that'll look like. Then we have the title and border. So it'll show the title, and then it'll have a border around that list, that web part. And the title is just the title, no border. And then we have the border, no title. So those are the different options of the Chrome type. In the layout, you can hide this. You can hide this list. And as you can see, a lot of these are disabled, and these work best when in a web part page. We are in a wiki page. And this will work best in the web part page, because in a web part page we have what you call zones, and in a wiki page there are no zones. Usually it's just a text layout, but you don't have two zones in text layout, so that's why these are disabled. And for the other three options, you don't have to worry about these. These are hardly ever used. These are usually for like the developers who code to use. And that's more of an advanced workshop but we're not going to go into those. But I hope that made sense and you liked the video. Take care. Bye.